Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Turn it off only if you need to remove a battery or open panels, otherwise keep it powered. Once done, check obvious sticker locations, bottom panel, back cover, inside the battery bay, because Dell places the service tag on a label there. Use a flashlight and wipe gently to reveal faded print. Make sure you're looking for a 7-character alphanumeric code labeled service tag. That exact label is the key to the process. Next, use the device's built-in tools to retrieve the tag if the sticker is unreadable. For Windows, run command prompt as admin and type wmicBIOS get serial number to display the service tag. Support Assist also shows it under System Information. If you can reboot, press F2 during startup to view BIOS system information where the tag appears. On Linux, run sudo dmodecode s system serial number. And on Mac, finally, confirm the tag by comparing the sticker, BIOS, and OS outputs. Make sure they match exactly. If they don't, carefully remove the battery or open the service panel to check for a hidden label. Keep screws organized and use a static safe surface. If the tag is erased or absent, document the chassis with photos and contact Dell support with purchase details. They can verify warranty using proof of purchase and hardware images. One troubleshooting tip. If commands return blank, try running them as administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.